Hey everyone, my name's Alvin. I passed my PACE test first go. Took a few lessons with John. I couldn't recommend him enough. In pretty much 4 weeks he got me ready to go. And yeah, first go. So again, definitely recommend taking lessons with John. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Emiliano. I passed my driving test from Richmond and I live in Elara Boulevard. I passed it through D-Tech Driving from our instructor John Mo, and he's one of the best teachers out there.
Hi, my name is Sarsija. I have taken a couple of classes with John and I was so happy because today I have given my test in Richmond at 11 a.m. So I have done pretty well and I got my PACE in one go. And I thank a lot to John for teaching me and training me in the right way. So I recommend John is a very good trainer, and I recommend John for all of us who do their test in Richmond and Blacktown. Thank you.